Moving on from the behind the back switch, we're going to go a behind the back flip. So of course, you first need to learn the behind the back switch to start with. However, once you've done that, you can then begin to learn the flip, which does involve a little bit of a coin toss. So the behind the back switch involves a double upward thumb grip. With a flip, you still end up with a double upward thumb grip. However, you catch much earlier in the swing, and this time one set of knuckles is against your back, the other set of knuckles is facing away from you. So the premise is what's going to happen is the mace is going to swing, and rather than catching when it's vertical, you catch after about 3/4 of the swing, then let the tail drop. As it does, you use the momentum to coin toss and catch. So it looks, I'll slow it down, it looks like this. We swing, catch early and off to one side, let the tail follow through, and as it follows through, we flip and catch. Then what we can do is coin toss away and do it again the other side, and that makes for a nice, fluid transition and exercise. Also, kind of nifty to stick in your flows.